Imagine this, you're a pirate, locking onto a juicy target. But as you pull alongside, dread sinks in. It's a Navy warship. These Somali pirates had no idea they were ambushing the Spanish warship Patino after its latest mission. Despite the obvious mismatch, they went in guns blazing. Big mistake. The skilled Spanish Marines unleashed a fierce counterattack that blew their boats apart. Realizing the situation was hopeless, the pirates scrambled to escape. But the Navy helicopters found and captured them. Dragged back to Spain, the hapless pirates had to face justice in court, attacking a warship. What were they thinking? For these pirates, a greedy gamble ended in disaster.